Hi, I'm Luis with ReplayLocker. Today we're going to set up ReplayLocker server. Today we're actually in Santa Ana Stadium, which can hold about 9,000 spectators, and we're going to go ahead and set it up. All right. So inside the case you've got your server and your tripod. The first thing you're going to do is pull out your tripod and set your tripod up. Once you have your tripod up, you're going to set up your server. Once the server is set up, then you just go ahead and apply power. This is the only cable that you need. You're going to plug it into electricity in an outlet, or in this case, I actually brought a portable battery supply. And we're done. Okay, now we're set up at the 50-yard line. We're going to go ahead and do some recording from the press box. I'm going to be recording with an iPad Air 2, and we're going to be viewing with 6 different devices. Because of the way the ReplayLocker was set up, you can actually use up to 2,000 devices and not slow the system down. Well, I'll go ahead and hit record, and I'll go ahead and follow the action. I can zoom in and out. As soon as I hit the record button again, it will ask me, hey, was that offense, defense, or special teams? I go ahead and I tag that. As soon as that's done, it's going to go ahead and send it to all the devices. It's as easy as that quick every time. Let's go ahead and show that again, huh? All right, so if I hit record, I can go ahead and follow the action. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. I go ahead and hit stop. It's going to ask me, was that offense, defense, or special teams? I go ahead and I tag it, and it's going to show up on all the devices again. Easy as that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to review plays that are on your iPad. If you take a look here, here's every play that happened during this game. If you look over on the right side, they're all tagged offense, defense, special teams. And they're all in chronological order, so the newest play is always on the top. If you wanted to, you can actually sort. So if I'm the O coach and I only want to see offensive plays, I can do that. So now I'm only looking at offensive plays. I can do the same thing for defense by tapping this here. And now I'm only looking at defensive plays. I can also look at special teams. So now I'm only looking at special teams plays. Or I can view them all. I can also sort by putting a star next to a play. And then sort by pressing the star. And then I'm only going to be seeing the plays that I put a star next to. What this is good for is putting a star next to a play during the game and being able to easily find it during halftime. So now I'm viewing it. Now this is all the plays that happened during this game. Let's say I wanted to look at a specific play. I can tap on it, and if you take a look here, they're actually using, this team's actually using 3 cameras. They're using the end zone, the press box, and one looking at the scoreboard to keep tabs on down and distance. If I go ahead and I press play, all 3 cameras are time synced. And I can drag my finger and go forward or backwards on it. But if I want to see this one bigger, I can just tap on that and expand it to full screen, and I can also fast forward or rewind here. If I want to see this one bigger, I can do the same thing. If I want to telestrate, I just tap this guy and I can telestrate and draw any lines that I want that telestrate for me. So that's how we're looking for all of the plays, that's how they come in, and that's how ReplayLocker works.